Hello, everyone. I'm Dave. I'm in Washington, D.C. for what else? GridWeek. That's right. Can you feel the energy in the air? Here's the thing, though. I started thinking, how many people even know it's GridWeek? And how many people even know we're talking about a smart grid? Here's what I thought. Let's get out and talk to the people, find out what a smart grid is. If I say smart grid, tell me what you think it is.
I have no clue.
It is the beginning of GridWeek. Are you excited?
If I knew what it was, I guess it would be.
That's the stuff on the football field when you watch it on TV where they know how to put the first down in the scrimmage lines.
Oh, that's called smart grid.
Yeah, smart grid.
A GPS system for the metro system?
But grid lock, as far as cars, I don't know that you can have smart grid lock. It'd be dumb grid lock.
By how it's named, maybe something to do with DC, how the city's laid out.
It sounds like the pattern of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, the pattern of the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Well, there seems to be some confusion by the general public about what exactly smart grid is. So I thought I should go to a higher authority and get it firsthand from someone who knows. Oh, there he is. Excuse me, Mr. Franklin. I'm so glad I found you. We have been out trying to find people to tell us what in the world this smart grid is, and who better to go to than the man himself, the man who discovered and harnessed the power of electricity.
That's what it's all about, electricity. But electricity isn't really any good unless you can get it to the people so they can use it.
Exactly. This is what this Grid Week is all about.
That's what it's about. Well, then you are in the right place. You need to get everyone together in the world who really is concerned about this and put them together and get them all the information so they can take back the information and take action on it.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
But get to work.
Oh, yeah.
Don't delay.
No.
There's not time to waste,
Okay. You heard it. There's no time to waste, so I'm going to get the word out.
Good.
But thank you. It was an honor.
Pleasure indeed.
Thank you. Break it down for us. What is a smart grid?
Smart grid's a collection of applications that are different for every utility, every end user.
A smart grid is knowing where power is coming from and going to.
Having a IP connectivity at any part throughout the distribution grid.
A grid that can self-heal, regulate itself.
More control, individual control.
Reliability and efficiency.
Everything from having a smart thermostat that can respond to different changes in electricity prices.
Smart, intelligent network.
In order to consume energy that is clean, reliable, efficient, and empowers customers.
So you can incorporate your wind, your solar, geothermal, whatever aspects of that they've got.
I mean, basically right now, our electric grid is based on technology from the 1950s.
And there's been a lot of technology progress since then, so it's our time to put in place a grid for the 21st century.
So what you're saying is the grid we have today is the equivalent of the hula hoop, and the grid we need is the equivalent of the Wii video game.
That's a good analogy.
One way to kind of simplify smart grid is conservation without compromise.
So electric power engineering, computer science, software engineering, enterprise architecture, all key technologies to make the smart grid work.
Why are you so excited about Grid Week?
Great opportunity, great people to meet, great vendors here as well.
The mix of people, the representation from around the world is the best I've ever seen.
Cameron, you traveled here from Boulder, Colorado, from St. Louis. Henry, from Beijing. You traveled from the Bay Area, France, Brazil, Singapore, Nigeria. Why did you come here? What's the question, the burning question inside that you want answered, that you can only get answered here at Grid Week?
At Grid Week, yes, I really wanted to see others' perspective on the smart grid of the future. I really look at the type of technologies a number of the utilities are looking to deploy, and really how we can help them meet their business case needs.
What technologies and policies will help maximize our carbon emissions reductions from modernizing our electricity grid?
I want to figure out why all the technologies we have in communications and computing infrastructures aren't being deployed on the energy grid to help save customers who need to use energy but want to also save on their bills.
I'd like to know where we're going a little better before I buy all the infrastructure to get there.
What will we do to change the behavior of end user consumers?
We want to see what's the reality behind the hype.
How to get better involved, interoperability, and what's it going to take to actually get different organizations working together to develop a common standard that a lot of people can take advantage of.
What the regulatory policy looks like for smart grid applications and what some outlooks are for how we might catalyze more smart grid applications.
to the question of understanding how everyone else expects plug-in hybrids to fit into this smart grid.
When they say energy efficiency, what exactly enables energy efficiency? You say integration of renewables. Which are the technologies?
How we can speed up the implementation of smart grid. How do we speed it up?
There you go. Come on, go off. Work on it. Thank you, Pam. Come on, you got work to do. Go.